Hello, friends. Let's make a great leaf cake together. To start, chop parsley and green onion. Pour 2 cups of washed rice into a large bowl. 300 grams of minced meat, chopped vegetables, salt, black pepper, red pepper, cumin powder, curry, dried mint, tomato paste, 2 spoons of pomegranate paste. We mix. Add cooking oil. We mix again. We cut the tails of the leaves with scissors. Now it's time to wrap the scabs. We take one of the leaves. We put some of the ingredients inside the leaf. We collect the leaves like in the movie. It is an honor for you to subscribe to my channel. We put it in the pot. And we continue until the materials and leaves are finished. Cut the tomatoes into rings and put them on the slices. Mix 1 spoon of tomato paste with a glass of water and pour it on the scabs. We pour oil. We put a plate on the scabs so that they don't open. Let it cook on medium heat until the water is completely drained. Our dumplings are cooked well. We put a bowl or a tray bigger than the pot and turn it back. Thank you for supporting me with likes and comments. The taste is wonderful. Enjoy your meal.